Welcome to the MicrDr doctor registration tutorial. In this tutorial, we will show you how to register as a doctor on our platform step by step. Okay, let's get started. First, after you download and open the doctor version of the MicrDr app for the first time, you should see this login page. At the lower center of this page, you can see the Sign Up button. Tap on it. Then, we need to verify your phone number. Simply input your phone number here and type on the Send button. In seconds, you will receive a verification code through this number if it is valid and has not been registered. Input the code you received and tap on the Next button. Then, we require you to create a password for your account. The password should be at least 8 characters in length and contain at least 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter, and 1 number. After you input the password and confirm password section, tap on the Next button. Now, we need some basic information of you so that we can better know you. On this page, the app will firstly ask for permission to access album and camera, so that you can upload your portrait to our app as well as other images in the future. The easiest way is to tap on the OK button, then the Grant button, then allow access to all photos. If you accidentally tap on the wrong button, you can always grant us permission from this location. We promise we won't collect any information that you don't select. Then simply complete all these required fields. We assume that all the information you provide is real, including your portrait. Then we also need the address of our clinic. Tap on the location icon on the right. Then at the bottom, tap on the input field and start inputting your address. The app will give you address suggestions and auto-complete it. Select the right one and tap on the Confirm button at the top right corner. Make sure the address is correct and then tap on the Next button. Then we need to know your qualification information. All fields on this page are required. Simply input or select the right one. Make sure all the information you provide is correct, and then tap on the Next button. The professional experience page is optional. You can just skip to the next page if you want. However, it's always better to let us and let your potential patients know more about you. If you plan to fill up this page, make sure to fill all the required fields. If you have more than one experience to share, you can tap on the plus button at the bottom right. You can also remove your experience by tapping on the delete button at the top right corner of each section. After you input all the information, tap on the Next button. The award page can be edited following the same instructions. Now, provide us with a brief introduction of yourself. This introduction will be on your profile as a short bio shown to our potential patients. Make sure it's clear and concise. Then, we need some information related to the services that you want to provide on our platform. All fields on this page are pretty straightforward except for the insurance section. For the insurance, drop down the menu to select the insurances you accept. Scroll down and stop at the one you want to select. Then release your finger from the screen for half a second, and it would be automatically added. If you don't see an insurance from the list, you can manually add it by tapping on the Add button on the right. If you want to remove a selected insurance, simply type on that insurance and confirm. Make sure all information on this page is correct, and then tap on the Next button. Finally, determine how much you want to charge for our services. Make sure everything is correct, and tap on the Apply button. Congratulations! You have finished the registration. It will take us up to 3 business days to review your application. You will receive a text message upon the approval or declination. Thank you for watching this video.